The following section measurement data is calculated according to the generated section line. This function can generate the measurement data of the ground point cloud that meets the parameter requirements, according to the design data and the point cloud. First, click the road section, and the 2D cross-section window will pop up on the right, and then click to calculate measurement. Section analysis generally only uses ground point data, so it is necessary to classify ground points correctly in advance to ensure no noise points. To generate no other noise points on the ground, the point cloud classification operation can be performed first, and the thickness of the vertical and cross-section can be set in this interface. If you want to conduct multiple analyses, you can pull down a new empty group in the measurement group. Then you can set the parameters for the calculation section here. Section thickness is the width of the point cloud data used to generate the measurement vertical profile. Step length refers to the design of the vertical axis sampling spacing. Fine terrain in the cross-section. In this mode, the contour of the cross-section point cloud can be extracted to fit the point cloud to generate fine terrain. Section thickness is the width of the point cloud data used to generate a measurement cross-section. Type refers to the section data generated by elevation type, drop-down optional above and below, and the default is below. The bottom refers to the lower half of the cross-section, which is mostly selected for road scenes. Above is the upper half circle of the generated cross-section. Click OK after setting it up. The red line is the generated measurement section, and the software will automatically calculate the results. If it does not meet the expectations, you can use 2D section editing for manual editing, and you can also edit the section line and add the section line node. Click the Next button, select the cross-section line to edit, click the Edit Section Line node, and drag to edit. When the node is not enough, you can click to add the node, click to delete, and you can delete the unwanted node. After editing, you can see that the section line has been modified. In the 2D cross-section window, you can also implement the following functions. Click on the distance measurement, you can measure the section. Click the area measurement, outline the section shape to you can measure the section. Click the area measurement, outline the section shape to be calculated, can realize the area calculation of the section. Click color settings to modify the colors of the calculated section values. Click the tracking line button to display the vertical position line corresponding to the 2D cross-section window and the 3D window to view the corresponding position. Slide the mouse to move the tracking line.